Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gains. So let's go ahead and take a look at Shiba Inu. We back on the rise, but don't get excited just yet, guys, because we could easily come back down and test those levels around the low 40s again before actually going up. I just want to prepare you guys and not have you overly excited. So you already know, guys, but like we expected, I believe Shiba is good long term, but we was prepared for that pullback for the short term. We always like to prepare everyone and don't just think the whole time while you in an asset or a security, a stock is just going to go up and up and up. And you just need to be prepared for the pullbacks mentally so you won't get shooken out and you ride it all the way through, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Shiba is currently trading at 0.000056, guys. We done did some amazing things. We came down and tested the levels just as we thought we would. After reaching all-time highs, we had said after, we were consolidating for a while, we were seeing a big, sell-off was about to happen. Some whales was about to dump so they can buy back in at a cheaper price. And that's exactly what happened, guys. Well, we know some of the biggest holders, the big holder that moved, that had 8,000 to 5.7 billion, he moved some of his about 40 trillion tokens around to different wallets, multiple wallets, which is a smart decision. And also, we know some of those whales had also sold off in chunks so they can get back in at a lower price and ride it right back up, guys. We also know the circulating supply had went up, had increased. But like I told y'all, even with the bad factors, we also had a lot of good factors with Shiba, and we can't let the bad stuff be under the rug. We got to bring it to the light as well. But overall, through all that, I still said I think Shiba is still a good investment. Not saying that it's not risky and speculative. What I mean by good investment is a little bit of money can turn into a lot of money. Like if you put $100 in the Shiba back in August last year, it would have been now worth $14 million, guys. So the returns is insane, but a lot of money now at this point can turn into a little bit of money if it don't go in our favor, guys. But I am bullish on Shiba. I told you I was short term. I knew short term it was about to pull back, and it did just that. Came down to the low 40s, and we expected the low 40s to the high 30s. Came down to 41, guys. So right on time. And now we back on the up and up. We ain't break through resistance yet, but resistance, we touched it. We touched it at 59. If this thing break through 59 on today or going into tonight near midnight, but hopefully soon as it break through 59, which I know it will, but we just don't know if it's going to pull back and test support, find out where support exactly is before doing so. If we break through 59 though, which is right here at the tip of our fingers, this thing could fly, guys, straight back to where we previously was, near that 65, 70, working our way back to them all-time highs. So be prepared for that. And on top of that, it's now the weekend, Friday. The stock market is closing. Usually when the stock market closes and going into the weekend, crypto usually pumps up a bit because a lot of money, day traders, that day-to-day money is flowing now from the markets to crypto to try and make they piggyback off of different assets. So that's all I got for this video, guys. You already know. Consider joining the family if you like these type of updates. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.